Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicory powder. First, locate chicory plants, easily identified by their distinctive blue flowers. Once found, carefully dig up the taproots, ensuring they remain intact. The best time to harvest is usually in the fall when the roots are mature and have developed their full flavor. This initial step is crucial for a high-quality final product. After harvesting, it's time to clean and prepare your chicory roots. Wash them thoroughly under running water, scrubbing off all dirt. Next, chop the clean roots into small, uniform pieces, ideally around 1/2 inch. This ensures even roasting. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes, or until they turn a deep, rich brown color. Once your roasted chicory pieces are cool, they are ready for grinding. Transfer them to a clean coffee grinder or a powerful spice grinder. Process them until you achieve a fine, consistent powder. The finer the grind, the better it will dissolve. To maintain its freshness and flavor, store your homemade chicory powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Now that you have your fresh chicory powder, you can enjoy its many uses. It makes an excellent coffee substitute, offering a similar rich, earthy flavor without the caffeine. You can also blend it with your regular coffee for a unique taste. Simply brew 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.